make this cute wiggling jellyfish craft. We'll need colored craft paper, glue, scissors, Sharpie, and colored markers. This jellyfish craft is easy to make. It involves tearing, coloring, cutting, and gluing. It is both fun and a good work for working on fine motor skills for kids. Start with tearing a sheet of light blue paper into strips and glue them into a dark blue cardstock. You will also need a piece of tan color paper. Glue each piece on the blue craft paper. Contrast of blue paper creates a beautiful undersea background for the jellyfish. Here our background is ready. Now let's create the jellyfish. You can either draw the eyes or use googly eyes as well. Look more like the ocean. Let's make some ocean plants. Now just cut out all the pieces. Trace the jellyfish in a colored craft paper and cut it out. Let's glue the parts. Making the tentacles, cut out thin strips of colored craft paper and twist them. Now glue the strips to the back of the jellyfish. Take a pencil and twist these strips around to make curls. It will look cute! They're already looking cute. What else we need? We need some eyes and some mouth. To make the jellyfish wiggly, we have to make a springy. Glue the springy in the back of the jellyfish. Now let's glue everything on the background. I hope you like this wiggly waggly jellyfish craft. Thank you for watching.